If you're training a web agent today, you're probably working with a few thousand handwritten tasks tied to frozen snapshots of websites that are out of date or inaccurate. The real web moves fast, but benchmarks don't. And creating training data for web agents is extremely expensive. We built endless trajectories to change this. Give it a website URL and it turns a site into a generator to scalably create training data, automatically discovering tasks, executing them, verifying outcomes to create a dataset. Let me show you what it looks like. We'll drop down 3 website URLs and start a batch exploration. Nova Act opens browser sessions and starts navigating each site, clicking buttons, filling in search fields, navigating menus. You can see the live screenshot updating on the left and every action logging on the right with what the agent did and what it found. Now let's look at the structure and let's look at what it built. Now I want you to take a close look at this capability graph. Each node is a page state the agent discovered, and they're grouped by what the users can do there. Search in one cluster, booking in another, account settings over there. The edges are actual navigation transitions, including loops and cycles. Here's what it looks like when you click on a node to see for more information. Once the graph is built, the system reads it and generates tasks. If a filter dropdown exists in the DOM, a task will use it. If it doesn't, no task will reference it. Here's the synthesis streaming in real time. Nova 2 Lite reads the graph, generates candidates. Then they go through policy filtering, deduplication, and diversity selection. You can see right there that it's generating many tasks. And there are 6 task modes specifically covered: a happy path, search, comparison, recovery, negative testing, and a keyboard only mode for accessibility. And now with all this task data, we can execute the tasks. Before anything enters your dataset, it gets verified. 3 layers, 11 types of deterministic predicates, URL matching, text visibility, element counts, focus, ARIA labels. Then Nova Act rejudges the episode visually and assigns a confidence score. If the two disagree, it uses human review. The histogram shows in distribution, high confidence on the right, ambiguous cases in the middle, and the quality page digs even deeper. The scatter plot shows quality versus coverage capability. You see exactly where the agent's strong and where it needs more data. This same pipeline serves 2 very different audiences. For ML engineers, the export page. Here's the FSFT pack. This sunburst shows what's in the dataset, capabilities in the inner ring, task modes in the outer ring, and you can preview every row and download it at Parquet. Switch to RL and you can see the reward distribution, both successes, failures with quality scores for reward signals. For site owners, the overview page flips to site report. Discovery metrics show what the agent found, states, transitions, and capabilities, reachability percentage. Paste the URL, Nova Act explores the site, Nova 2 Lite synthesizes from what it's found. Workers execute them parallel, and every trajectory gets verified before it leaves the system. No handcrafted tasks, no still snapshots. Web page in, RL dataset out.